follow-up video sa aking luma camera sling bag 9L from Peter McKinnon and Numatic. And so sinubukan ko na. By the way, I'm currently using my Lumix S5 2X. Mag-switch tayo ngayon sa Osmo Pocket because I need the camera. And okay, lapag-lakad. Kuha. Right, video ulit. Okay, sige, Alexa, okay. Okay, bigay ko lang dyan. Pak, boom. Nakita ko si Iron Man. Iron Man, oh, pak. Boom, oh. Okay, so that's how I want it to be. Like, that fast. Now, the problem is, I don't keep it this way, so I don't shoot it like this. I shoot it always with a case or a cage. So, this Falcam cage. So, kapag nalagay ko yan dyan, hindi na magkakasya yung camera sa loob. Okay. Let's remove this. And then this one, kasya naman, pero it will struggle pa din. Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng pa ganun kasi yung may lens ako. The only option I have is disassemble ko yung body in lens. And then, pag gagamitin ko, gawin ko siya, pak, boom, boom, boom. And then, hindi ko na siya mababalik unless i-disassemble ko ulit. Second option is pilitin siyang ipagkasya dito. So, I need to push it like hard. Kasi ito is hindi siya yung parang na-deform na bag. It's a solid box talaga. May metallic frame dito. So, for me to be able to use my camera, I need to struggle pa putting like this. And ang worry ko is labas-pasok ng camera is baka masira yun dito sa gilid. In my defense, na-research ko naman kung kasya ba yung camera, the S5 2X with the lens, exact lens. I checked for the dimensions of this bag inside. Kasya naman, pero I forgot to factor in the cage talaga. So, yeah. My bad. So, ako kasi I prefer my camera na nasa cage. Kasi, it's an added protection. Yeah, gamit ko din itong part na to so I can attach. For example, and you want to put pa yung Osmo 360 here. Diba? O kaya naman, this lens or this light. Diba? Kaya naman, if I want a smaller light, I have this din. Lagay ko lang yan dyan. Or, I can put this. Diba? I can put this. And put my cellphone there. Yeah, especially pag paid work or kapag interview sa mga conferences, sa crypto events, something like that. So, I always have my videographer, si Cripita, na naka-second camera or behind the scenes camera. So, usually put my Osmo Pocket here or my Osmo 360. And then, pag no choice talaga, it's either her camera or her phone or my phone. So, something like that. So, yan. So, gamit ko talaga yung cage. I'm not willing to let go of the cage para lang magamit ko yung bag. For now, I think I need to use my other sling bag, my Peak Design. So, this one, hindi ko pa rin ma-achieve yung quick open, quick deploy na camera routine. Pero, at least dito, kasya yung camera with the lens, with the cage. So, fair na. Ito muna. I know, marati ako sa gamit. Pero, yeah, that's me. And, gusto kasi yung setup ko talaga. Very fast-paced para hindi sayang sa oras, no? Pwede ko pa naman siya ibalik. It's within the return period pa naman. Pero, ibenta ko na lang dito. Flip ko na lang siya. So, if interested ka pa, PM me. Popost ko dito sa marketplace sa Blue app.